Hello friends, today we are going to study how to use the scenario manager in Excel sheet. Actually, using scenario manager in Excel allows you to create and manage different sets of input values to quickly analyze and compare various scenarios in your workbook. This feature is particularly helpful for financial modeling, budgeting, or any situation where you want to see the impact of changing variables on your calculations. So this is data, and we have this cost of a pen, and we consider a scenario where we want to calculate the price of a pen. So if these costs increases or decreases, our price of the product should be maintained. So we develop some scenarios with high cost and low cost and check the impact of total cost, or we can determine what should be the price that should be maintained, whether the cost is high or lower. So the first step is to select the cost or the cells where you expect the changes may occur, and then go to data option and click on what if analysis, and here you have scenario manager. Click on scenario manager, and here we create some scenarios with high cost and low cost and check what is their impact when there are some changes in their values. So add, I would give a name, it's like lowest cost, and then click on OK. Here I decrease the material cost to 10 rupees, and then labor cost to 0.5, and then electricity cost to 10, and I click on OK. This got added. Now we create another scenario, and I give largest cost, and then click on OK. I increase the cost to 25 and this to 15 and this to 25, and click on OK. Now we have these two scenarios, and now we want to check what are the impacts of values, or what is the lowest cost scenario that we should consider in order to calculate or fix our product price. Now go to summary. First of all, remember that when you click on summary, you would be asked to select the cell where the change or the resultant change would occur. So when these cost values changes, the total value would be changed. Now I click on OK. Here you have this scenario summary report. You can check that this is the current values, and this column contains the lowest cost, and this contains the largest cost. You can see that when the price is 0.25, the cost is this, and when the cost of different materials and labor and electricity is this, we have this total cost. So we can say that our price should be more than this cost because we have checked and determined that our cost cannot be increased beyond this scenario. So we can determine our price based on this cost. So friends, this is how we calculate or we use the scenario function in Excel sheet. I hope you like this video. If so, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Excel tutorials and videos.